Din Davinia manna notaħħa f'Xarabank qabel il-Malta Eurovision. Il-ġimgħa li għaddiet ma' missiera oħta Davinia tmur vakanza f'Istanbul.
On the Thursday, we got there at around lunchtime, and we had a really good 2 days.
Is-sibt wara nofsinhar. Waqt li kienu qed iduru ma' missierhom, Davinia oħta jiddeċiedu li jmorru lura lejn il-lukanda.
So my dad put us in a cab, and he told them, listen, he told the cab driver to take them to the hotel.
Ix-xufier tat-taxi jibda jsuq lejn il-lukanda. Imma wara ftit, it-taxi tieqaf.
And after around 2 minutes being into this taxi, the car stops.
Hekk kif it-taxi tkun wieqfa, raġel jersaq lejn ix-xufier tat-taxi u jibda jargumenta miegħu.
All of a sudden, this man approaches the taxi on the left side, and my sister's on the left and I'm on the right, and the driver's there, and starts speaking to the taxi driver, but shouting and aggressively, and the taxi driver pulls down his window.
Ir-raġel jiftaħ il-biba ta' wara tat-taxi.
He opens the car door, starts grabbing my sister from the arm like this, tugging her. I'm holding on to her like this. I'm like, what are you doing? What are you doing? Come.
Sadan it-tant, ix-xufier tat-taxi jitlob lir-raġel biex iħallihom bi kwietom. Iżda r-raġel isir aktar aggressiv.
He's shouting and saying, I don't know, swearing in Turkish, and taxi driver's like, tourists. And the attacker's saying, yes, we want tourists. And me and my sister were like, what do you mean we want tourists?
Min taħt il-għajn, Davinia tinnota xi ħaġa oħra. Van niswed, miftuħ lest biex jitfgħu ġo fih.
I look at the back and I see a black van with a man standing by it and the door open, like they were ready to take us. So that's when kind of it really, I said, oh my God, this is really, really bad.
Waqt li x-xufier ikompli jitlob lil dan ir-raġel biex iħallihom bi kwietom, dan ir-raġel itieħ daqqa ta' pon. Davinia tibda tħoss li din se tkun l-aħħar darba li tara lill-oħta.
When they were grabbing my sister, I thought, this is it. They're gonna take her, and they're probably gonna take me afterwards. And that was it. Like I thought I'd never see her again, and it would be the end of our lives.
Davinia oħta imwerrin, ma jafux x'inhu jiġri. Ir-raġel jerġa' jiftaħ il-bieba u hekk kif ikun seħħ fin-nataxa, ix-xufier tat-taxi jirnexxielu jsuq u jaħrab bihom.
And he literally just drove off so fast. I've never seen anything like it. The door was still open, my sister almost hanging out, me grabbing her. And we managed to get out of there safely.
Hekk kif tasal il-lukanda, Davinia ċempel il-missiera u tajdu x'ġara.
He started crying on the phone. The holiday was obviously ruined. I mean, that night I didn't even sleep. I was checking the chain on the door of the hotel every second. I was imagining like these guys in our hotel room and waking up with frights.
Davinia tħossa fortunata għax hi oħta ħilsu ħafif.
Basically we were saved and we were one of the lucky ones.